Good morning, good morning, my beautiful people. Again, positive vibes from Positive Vibes TV. Yon tell us I just woke up now. Just woke up. This is second day after we checked in at G-Jam last night. Long day of traveling yesterday. We got up this morning, about to go outside and see what's going on because I didn't get to see what's outside last night because it was so dark. Before you go, I'm gonna give you a mini tour of this room that we are staying at G-Jam. Beautiful spot, great location. So let me flip this camera around and show you what's going on. Okay, let's start with the bathroom. As you can see, entering in the bathroom. Where's the light? Where are the lights? The lights there. Yeah, so that's the bathroom. Nice bathtub. That's me, Positive Vibes. Right here. And a sink. And also, you can see outside from the bathroom. So just pull this up and you can see outside. That's the bath. You get the toilet. You got the shower here. In here you got the shower. Big beautiful shower. Nice bathroom. And then going out the bathroom, you got one bed here. Got a TV over there. The girls are still sleeping out there. And so let me take you guys outside and see what's going on out there. There's the man himself, Positive Vibes. Just woke up. Here we got a closet. Small little closet here. I'm gonna go outside and see what's going on. Ooh, hot. Nice and hot. So this is the cabin. This is the cabin from outside. This is our private cabin from outside. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Up there like the restaurant and they got, beautiful spot. But this is where we're staying right here at G-Jam. Yeah, here is a jacuzzi. It rained last night. So the jacuzzi is still hot. It's still hot. Beautiful nature walk. G-Jam is nice. Beautiful, beautiful spot. All in nature. All in nature. And I love it. Look at this tree right here, people. Look at this tree going all the way up. And from here, so we can sit right out here. And then what we can do, we can overlook the beautiful ocean. Look at nature. There's breadfruits over there. There's the ocean over there. Beautiful. We're like in a jungle. Private. Beautiful. I'll go get my sunglasses. I'll walk up here and see. I guess down there there's a little lizard right here. Yeah, people, this is awesome. Young berries. This is our private entrance. This is the entrance to our private balcony. It says, "Do not disturb." That's ours, right? Mm-hmm. It's a nice place. And follow the follow the steps down to G-Jam Beach. So the beach is down there. We'll go down there in a little bit. But if you can see, it's beautiful. I think that's a studio up there. Up here, you got a pimento tree. Right? So let me go outside. Where did this place take you? This place take you where? Let's see. That's another place right there. Not sure, but this is a pimento tree right. I haven't seen a pimento tree in a long time. But that's a pimento tree right there. Take you up here, see what's going on up here. Not sure, people. Not sure what they call this thing here. But if you know that, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah. I'm gonna go try to get my sunglasses from the car. Oh, I didn't bring the car key, so I can't even go up there. So I guess I should go back down here. Later on, I show you the rest of what's going on at G-Jam up there. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful, people. Very, very, very nice. Yeah. Yeah, people just woke up here in Portland at the G-Jam Hotel. Look at that tree up there. Look at that tree up there. Beautiful. Yeah. Let me open the path down to the beach and see. So this is the path down the beach. This is the path down the beach, and that's the residential area over there. And yeah, so later on we'll go to the beach. We're not gonna go right this minute, but we can go later. Okay, okay, people. So I'm gonna go back down here. This is our private little balcony, our private villa down here. So we close this door. And we go back. Look at this nature walk. Look at this, people. This is nice. G-Jam is nice. Usually we come here, we stay in a hotel. And never thought of staying in one of these places. But we are doing it today. staying there, and this is beautiful. Beautiful setting, beautiful place. G Jam, me say. You hear me? G Jam. And that's the ocean over there. So you got the ocean, you got the road. Yes, people, so this is it right here. I am at G Jam. I am at G Jam Hotel. This is beautiful, people. Check this out. Oh my gosh. What a life. Life is good. Life is good. Don't complain. Alright, people, I'm gonna catch you back at the other. I wish I could know to zoom in. I could have zoomed in all the way over there and show you guys up what's going on. Water beating over there. Some breadfruit pan tree down there, so. Yeah, man. Come on, blessed love, man. Alright? The local more. Catch you on the other side. Peace. Why not this one?
No, so not really this right.
Is that cabin?
But I'm planning to put some vinyl records tonight.
Okay. Cause they have the studio and all them things. Alright, bye. Blessed love, yeah?
Yeah.
Every time. Going to breakfast now with the girls. Yes, sir. No, when we come after we come back. Yeah, little more, yeah? I will also have breakfast and come back on the way to the beach. Bless every general. Give thanks. Hey, you guys left? You gone? I am coming through the jungle. I am coming to the jungle. Like a jungle man.
Just so you know, I wasn't waiting for you, I was just
Whew, it's a lot of steps. It's a lot of steps. Guess people want to go get some breakfast right now. Palm berries. Is that what you call them? Got the beach over there. Beautiful. This is the pool. Whew, this is gonna be a workout.
Oh, I can't wait to go in here.
You didn't see? That's where we came up just now.
I can't wait to go in here. Daddy Boogie, come in.
All right.
We're gonna get, guys, first we're gonna get breakfast and then we're gonna go in the pool.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat some food. We're gonna go in the pool. Go in the pool. Eat some food. camera is on mommy. So anything mommy do, the camera moves. See? Okay, that's my beautiful daughter here. We're at G-Jam. Zena, would you like to say anything about this beautiful place?
I don't like moth.
You don't like moth? That's the only thing?
Oh, and I like the
Jacuzzi? Okay, but you haven't even seen it yet.
But I felt the warm lava
Oh,
with water.
Nice, nice. So we'll go there later, okay? Now we're getting ready to go to breakfast, and we're gonna see. My daughter's getting tall. Beautiful young lady. Okay, baby girl, that I love you.
And we're going to the beach after.
We're going to the beach after too. The beach is down there, people. All right.
Do not get in the pool if you have, if you're ill or have diarrhea. I don't know why they would have to tell people that. Huh, babe? Why do they need a sign to tell people don't get in the pool if you have diarrhea? But that
Don't you-
tells you somebody got in the pool with diarrhea most likely.
What are you guys doing in the pool? Not
In
pool.
In the jacuzzi.
No, jacuzzi. What is it? Jacuzzi.
We're just jacuzzi in the jacuzzi. Soon, get ready for dinner. I'm not really hungry though.
Me
after we
either.
ate those patties.
Yeah,
me
I'm
either.
literally not hungry, guys.
Guys, we're here at the G-Jam. Again, still at the G-Jam. Second day. Well, first day.
First full day.
First full day. We
First,
got
full
Latanya.
second day.
And got Zena. Zena, Latanya.
And this is Ricky.
And Ricky.
Yes.
Oh, they're sitting on Ricky. In Ricky. Ricky. I don't know if I like them sitting in Ricky, but.
Let's leave him dog.
So we're here. And they're in the jacuzzi. I am here behind the camera watching these birds over here. There's a whole bunch of them. And look at it. Look where we are. We are in nature, man. Look at all over there. We're in nature.
Yeah, we're
And if you look up there, we got these cabins. Everybody got their own little private thing. That's a studio up there. Got a G-Jam studio. Or a little cabin. It's not a cabin. It's like a, what do you call this? Or a little house.
They can call it a cabin. Some people might call it like a villa or something.
Yeah, a little villa, cabin, whatever that is. So this is ours right here. So we have a jacuzzi. And we are in nature. We are in nature. Look at it, guys. I was just sitting over here playing my music. They took all the cushions off because, you know. And then if you can see, I was just sitting right here just now, holding the vibes. And inside our cabin, I don't know if you can see, that's our bathroom. We are like a tub. And then we got a shower over there. I showed you guys earlier. And when we come out, we walk out here. First, before we show you the ocean, look at this. We come through here. I'll show you a full video of us coming in. So, stay tuned. Just keep watching the videos. All right? So then we come to nature. And then you look in the ocean. So we're going from the door here, and then we'll come around the ocean. And then if you go down there, earlier I saw some woodpecker pecking right there. But this is a nice place, G-Jam. Blessed love. All right. You're right, that's nature. You hear the little bugs and you hear all those crickets start to come out. Natural. Look at this tree. So John up there. I think that's the road down there. That's the main road. There's some breadfruit. Let me pan up on these breadfruit right here. Young breadfruit. Young breadfruit, but nevertheless, a whole bunch of them. Yeah, so we are here. Yeah, the girls over there. Hello.
Oh, hi! What's up, people?
And there's a fisherman over there. Let me spin the camera and show you the fisherman. See if I can zoom in. Get the fisherman right there. Here's a boat. Oh wow, look how close I've zoomed to this fisherman. Oh, fisherman. Wow.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, Mama. Okay, fishermen doing their thing.
Yes, this is me.
How far they are. Wow, I can't see them now.
Let's follow the sand with the ocean.
Wow, this camera, look how far it's zooming so close. They're gone.